Today I have for you this portable mesh nebulizer by Syracuse. This thing is pretty awesome. First off, portability. Who doesn't love that? This is rechargeable. So it's a Type-C charger that is included. Just recharges right there. Gives you several uses off of one charge. Also included in the box, you do get a user manual. And you also get 3 different options for mouthpieces. So you've got this mouthpiece here. And then you also have an adult mask and a child's mask. So whether this is for you, maybe 2 people in your family, an adult and a child, this works for both. So I'm just going to show you here. This is the medicine cup. So you're going to take that off. I'm going to demonstrate today with water how this works. So I've just got some bottled water. Put a little bit in there. Take that off. We'll try with the mouthpiece here. So all you got to do is press and hold here. That's going to come on, and then you see the mist starts coming out. So it's that easy to use. Just charge it up, put the medicine in the cup, decide which mouthpiece is better for you, and you're ready to go. So really super convenient, super easy to use. I highly recommend this nebulizer.